So this is the accessible toilet. So you've got the raised one there where you've flushed the toilet, and you've got an emergency help point.
We are now approaching Bury St Edmunds. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport
And
Police
there.
on
Another emergency
61016.
call,
We'll sort it.
and then another locked
See it,
door,
say it, sort it.
and then a litter bin there. And then a handlebar as well. And you've got handlebar there as well. So everything is good here, and you've got another handlebar there. And some toilet roll there as well. Hand pictures as well, dryer as well. And then the buttons. So you do the close the door, and then the lock one, and then to open you press that one, and then this bit is the accessible area for prams and wheelchairs and scooters like mine. So you've got a charging point, there, and you've got a help point as well for the phone if you need any assistance. You've got a USB lead there, and a charging point there. Sorry.
Quite alright.
Welcome to this service for Harwich International. The next stop will be Thurston.
And help point. And disabled access there as well. And then you press the button there as well. And the same there as well.